Hi, everyone, and welcome to Universe-Scape. In today's video, we're going to talk about some exciting new discoveries about fast radio bursts, FRBs. FRBs are one of the most mysterious astronomical phenomena. They're incredibly powerful bursts of radio waves that last just a millisecond. In that short time, they emit more energy than the sun does in 3 days. A team of astronomers used a new algorithm to analyze data from the CHIME radiotelescope. They found 25 new FRBs, and most of them were repeating. This means that they emitted multiple bursts of radio waves over a period of time. The repeating nature of these FRBs suggests that they're coming from a specific source, rather than being random events. This could help astronomers to narrow down the possible explanations for FRBs. The study's lead author, Ziggy Plunis, believes that FRBs are likely produced by the remnants of explosive dead stars. This could mean that FRBs could help us to better understand the final stages of a star's life. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.